Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a free classified forum. So today I have a couple M&R automatic squeegee floodbar clamps to hold your squeegees and floodbars. I have a lot of these available. It's part number 121129. I'm going to show you how to take off the top of this so you can rebuild it. I am not going to be rebuilding it. So this is like a typical tool you'll find for removing these two pegs. I marked these red. The problem is it's too big, these pegs. So I have another way of opening it. It's not the greatest way. I don't have the specialty tool for it. So you take a pliers. I marked these and then you twist. Well, that was an easy one. So I'll do it on one I haven't opened. Here you go. So it's remarkable how easy it was to twist off. So there's an O-ring in here. I'm going to take that out. There you go. And if these O-rings are dry, you got to replace them. So I push it in here. Nope. So there you go. That was fun. So here's the cylinder with and here. So if you see these are cracked or grooved out, you got to replace it. It's very simple. This one is a one-way, meaning the spring will push it down or push it up on these. So, and if this is completely ruined, you have aluminum to scrap, brass to scrap. I believe this is stainless to scrap, and from there. So just don't throw things in the trash. Let's scrap it and make some money off of it. So this is an easy rebuild. You might have to go to like Ace Hardware. You can get these O-rings. There's only 2 on these. Sometimes there's another one. So it's really simple. You can rebuild them. So please like my video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.